Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before getting into session, I would like to thank everyone for continuous support. In today's session, we'll see how to check the support period or life cycle of any UiPath on-premise product. And we're going to answer questions like what is FTS, LTS, mainstream support, what is extended support, what is out of support, and what is major or minor release, and many other terms. Thanks to UiPath documentation team for such a good notes. To check the support period, UiPath created a lifecycle documentation of all the products, which is called product lifecycle. Product lifecycle describes the support period for UiPath on-premise products. By using this information, you can track how long a particular version of a product is supported, to know when to upgrade your software installation, and then how to get continuous support. So mainly, UiPath issues the support in two types. First one is FTS. FTS means fast track support, and second one LTS. LTS means long term support. So under FTS, we'll have two releases: mainstream support and then extended support. So for example, under FTS, under mainstream support, it will be the support will be like 6 months from the release date, and then for extended support, 6 months from the end of mainstream support. So first 6 months it will be like mainstream support, and then after that extended will be 6 months, 6 months more. Likewise, for LTS, it will be 24 months for the from the release date, and then after 24 months, 12 months more as part of extended support. So, what is mainstream support or extended support? Under mainstream support, products are fully supported. UiPath will provide customers the with the incident support, bug fixes, and then security updates, and then they'll provide responses to service requests. At the end of this period, customers will need to update to a version available in mainstream support. And under extended support, products will receive only partial support, which means customers will be provided the incident support, critical security fixes, and then technical support. Troubleshooting may include recommendations to update version available in mainstream support. And apart from these two, we have one more thing called out of support. So if your product version is mentioned under out of support, your path will no longer provide any type of support. You must have to upgrade to a version where it have a mainstream or extended support. Now, where to check the product life cycle? Open Chrome and then search for product life cycle. I'll give you the URL in the description. So if you scroll through product life cycle, here you can see the separation of the tool in its respective stages. For example, under discover, all the products that comes under discover, you'll see the versions under discover page, and then build, and then all the tools that are used to run. For example, UiPath robot is used to run. So the tools are separated according to the its stages. So if you go to discover, here you can see task capture. Firstly, task capture. So current version is 2022.4.8, and then it is LTS support model, which means long term support. And then initially it was released at May 9, 2022, and then mainstream support will end on May 9, 2024, and then after that extended support will have until 2025. So this tick mark means current support status, and then if you see X mark, which means like it is out of support version. Likewise, process mining and what is the current version, all the tools under discover stage. For example, if you have to see the studio, go to build, and then here we have studio, and then current version is 2023.4.4, and then we have LTS support, and then initial release of this version happened on April 27, 2023, and then mainstream support ends at 2025. Extended support will end on 2026 August, April 27. And then if you want to see the what all got updated in this particular version, like what are the updates that UiPath created for these versions, you can just open any of the tool and then you can see the release notes. For example, for task capture, open this tool, and then if I click on release notes, I can see the features at each version. For example, under 2022.4, these are the features UiPath added. and then these are the improvements that UiPath added, and then the bugs fixed are these. So likewise for each version you can see, for example 2022.4.5. So these are the bugs that are fixed, and then there are no improvements and all. So that's how you check the improvements happened in that particular version. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, stay tuned and happy automation.